Hi, I'm Chef Holly Shute with Georgia Grown. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to cook Springer Mountain Farms chicken drumsticks. We'll be making Chicken Crunch, which is a throwback to my childhood. We're going to season some chicken drumsticks with salt and pepper. We'll place them into a casserole dish. We've got some cream of mushroom soup. We're going to add some finely chopped onion and some chicken broth. We'll mix that together. Pour it over our chicken drumsticks. We'll top that with some stuffing mix. Drizzle that with some melted butter. And we'll bake that at 375 degrees for about 45 minutes or until an internal temperature of 165. So now after 45 minutes, we've got this beautiful, creamy, crunchy chicken casserole that the whole family can enjoy. Thanks for watching.